Hey guys, so it is Monday and I did not upload a video for you guys this morning and I feel really bad about it. I honestly have nothing prepared to share right now and I really feel guilty about it, but also I am just kind of taking some time right now, like just to work through some stress and anxiety and fears and just things that I have going on. And I've been really just completely consumed by that. But I am thinking this is no way to handle the situation. I need to pull myself out of this funk, and giving up on all of the things that I love is certainly not going to help. So I'm going to try very hard to keep my head in the game. Okay, so this is me on a Monday night committing to vlog Tuesday so that I can have it up for you guys on Wednesday. And I was gonna just wait until tomorrow, but I'm like, if I just say it now that I'm going to do it, like say it to you guys, then I am more apt to actually follow through with it. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me tomorrow. I am actually hoping to get up early in the morning and spend the entire day at the lake house because I have some things that I need to take care of there. I know that I haven't checked my P.O. box in a really long time, so I want to check that as well. And maybe with your help, just having this community here, I can just kind of work through the stuff that I'm going through right now. So I hope you guys are super excited to come along with me tomorrow as we head to the lake house and take care of a whole bunch of things and just hopefully have some peace of mind, some relaxation time as well, and just learn to cope.
You get to draw the breath into the chest.
Okay guys, it's about 7:30 in the morning and I am headed out. I'm going to get gas. I'm going to stop at Dunkin' Donuts and get some tea and a corn muffin or something. One of the recent changes that I've made is I switched from coffee to tea. I really miss my coffee, but my anxiety level has been so high. I'm trying to like have a little bit less caffeine, so switch to tea. So I'm gonna go pick that up. I have about an hour and a half ride ahead of me. I'm listening to a podcast and let's get this show on the road.
But to kind of, I think that the challenge always is you go down there, you want to go to the park, and
I made it. I'm here. It's 9:30. It took me 2 hours to get here because there was road work going on. But anyway, I picked up a corn muffin and a tea, so I'm going to have that now, and I'm going to read The Paris Wife. This is the book that we're reading for my Patreon book club because we're doing like this whole spring in Paris theme, and I just started it the other night. I am way behind with my reading. I have not been able to really focus on reading lately, so I really need to catch up and start getting into this book. So I'm going to read for a little bit, eat something, and then I'm going to get started here. Who else loves cream of wheat? It's just like such a comfort food for me. So anyway, I'm having applesauce and cream of wheat because the corn muffin was awful and I'm not going to eat it. So I'm going to make this quick and then I can relax, have some breakfast, and get on with all of the things I need to take care of here today. Okay, so I have not even taken my coat off yet because it's so cold in here. It's like 54 degrees. It's raining. I'm hoping that it warms up and the sun comes out, or at the very least it stops raining so I can take a walk. Something I've been doing a real lot lately is walking. Whenever I start feeling myself getting really anxious, I just take a walk. I have been walking so many miles a day lately, and it's just very like random times of day. Like as soon as I just feel like I need to disconnect, I go. So sometimes the dogs come, sometimes I go on my own, and I've been taking walks with friends. I've been like having neighbors and friends of mine come walk with me. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of walking, just being outside. And sometimes just being alone is good, but also sometimes talking to a friend is a great way to vent and just, you know, let them know my thoughts and feelings and get some feedback has been helpful as well. So I guess throughout the day today, what I'm mostly going to be sharing with you is kind of things that I've been doing to cope with my anxiety lately, because maybe if you are dealing with the same thing, this could be helpful to you as well. So you'll be seeing little like clips of things that I have been kind of doing to help me get through the day when the days are, you know, at a whole nother level, which lately most days are. So yeah, I am going to go unload my car, because one of the things I'm doing today is like completely stocking our linen closet here, so that over the summer we don't have to worry about paper towels and toilet paper and toiletries and things like that, laundry detergent, like all of those things. I want to make sure that we have them here on hand, so that when we are here over the summer months, I don't constantly have to like run out and get things. So I'll be cleaning out the linen closet, and I'll be stocking up the whole closet with all the stuff that we need. And that is what I'm going to do. I also just finished doing some Mickey Royal travel work. I have some clients looking to go to Aulani this summer in Hawaii. They're booking so quickly. I think they're already completely booked through like up until the end of August. So people are traveling again, and that is awesome. That is, you know, it's awesome for everyone, because we just freaking need to be able to travel and do things again. And it's obviously good for a travel agent to see that people are ready to start going places. So that's all good, right? So much positive that I really need to focus on right now, because I mean, we're in a way better place than we were this time last year, right? So, you know, we gotta just be happy for the good that is hopefully ahead really soon. We're on the uptick. Is that a word? Uptick? Uptake? You guys know what I mean, because I don't know what I'm saying. So something that happens a lot here at our lake house is we have people who visit, and if I have a family coming and we're not going to be here or something, I like to leave like a little gift bag with s'mores. So I have like marshmallows, chocolate bars, and graham crackers. But the bag that I got for it is a little too small. I kind of have to shove everything in. But anyway, I'm making it work. Here's the tissue paper. And a neighbor friend of mine actually makes these beautiful floral arrangements, and she dropped off as like a early Mother's Day gift to me all of these note cards, and all of the pictures are pictures of like the centerpieces that she previously made. If you guys remember, she did a whole bunch for Emily's graduation party last year. Actually, I wonder if some of these pictures are from that. I think some of these might be actually from her party, because they look familiar. Anyway, so I'm using these note cards, and yeah, it's really a great idea, and I think it's a nice little surprise for somebody visiting. And here's what it looks like put all together. So I just kind of have, the marshmallows are a little bit squished in there, but not too bad. And then I just stuck some tissue paper on top, and I'm gonna write a little note, and I'll have it ready to go for when we have company coming. Okay, so I'm reevaluating how I do this, because it was way too squished. So I'm putting it in this way, and then the chocolate's going in. And then on the top, I'm just putting, because the bag of marshmallows, because I ordered from Walmart, is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So I'm just kind of having this cook out the top a little bit. And then I have my sparkly tissue paper here. And I'm just taking 2 pieces, and I'm gonna stick one in the back. And then I'm gonna stick one in the front, and then I'll just stick the card in there as well, so not too bad. Okay, linen closet is done. I'll show you guys. I should have shown you it before. But anyway, down here I have like extra hand soaps, laundry detergent, things like that. And then I have paper towels, toilet paper, and then the few gifts. And then up top I just have random things. Most of our toiletries are in other closets, so this is way better. And I have all of the things that I need for the summer, so we can just enjoy our time at the lake and not have to worry about running out of like some of the essentials that we would need. So I took care of my biggest project of the day, which was focusing on that linen closet. So now I have 3 things left to do. I need to eat some lunch, definitely want to go for a walk. That just helps to calm me, especially here being like surrounded by nature, just something I need to do right now. And I need to check my PO box, so that's super exciting. So those 3 things I need to do, trying to figure out tonight because I feel so bad. It's my son's very first track meet and I really want to see it, but it's an away track meet and also I'm like an hour and a half away from it here. And it starts at like 4 o'clock. So I would have to kind of be pretty speedy, get the rest of the stuff done and go to the track meet. So also lately I've been really nervous about seeing people. Like, I don't know why I'm worse now than I ever was, but I am. So the good news is this is a sporting thing that's outside and I'll just bring a chair and like stay away from people. But I don't know. I just have like anxiety about that as well, but I really want to go see him. His first time doing track, he's doing so well, and I'm really excited to be able to catch that if I can. If not, he has a home meet on Friday, so that one I'll definitely be able to do. And yeah, that's what's going on. So I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna walk, I'm gonna go to the PO box. So I'm just watching some YouTube and having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and you guys can see the sun is out, so I'm excited to take a walk once I'm done with lunch. Look at how reflective the clouds are on this lake. It's like a complete mirror image. So it is so nice just to get outside for a little bit. That definitely helps. Bugs don't help. But yeah, it's nice to be surrounded by nature, just listening to the birds in the water. And the sun is out, so definitely makes my mood much better when I can get outside. Okay, so I am back home and we are online for Wendy's, which is a very long line because my husband was gonna make dinner while I went to Patrick's track meet, which was pretty far away from home, and he just got way too busy with work and couldn't do it. So we're waiting online for takeout, and that's what we're doing for dinner. I'm really glad that I made it to the track meet because it was his first of the season and he did really good, and it was just nice to be outdoors and be with friends and all those good things. So it was a good night. I am hungry and I still have some Mickey World travel work to do tonight, and I want to edit this, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get to that because it is getting late. So we're going to grab some dinner. We're waiting forever for this line. So I did receive a package in my PO box. I'm really excited. I just read the letter. Really sweet letter from my friend Stephanie. And I have not yet seen what was inside the box because I wanted to share it with you guys. So, oh, this is so pretty. This is like a beautiful welcome sign. It looks like a garden flag. Oh, I love it. Really sweet. And then this is so much fun. I love opening little gifts. Oh, I think this is a candle. You know what, guys? This is kind of hard to do with holding my camera. I'm gonna open everything up and then I'm gonna show you guys. So hold on. Okay, I was just crying. I just cannot even believe how kind and generous and thoughtful and amazing these gifts are. Stephanie, thank you so very much. This is a beautiful ornament, and it's a girl holding a cat because, I mean, you guys know my cat Princess passed away recently, and she just gave me this beautiful just little memento to have to remember her. And oh, I just love it so much. It's by that Willow Tree company, and it's just so adorable. I love it. And she also got me this from Pandora, which you guys know I love Pandora. I do have one of those bracelets, and I am excited to include this cat charm. It's always hard for things to focus for tiny things. but it is a little kitty cat face. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. It's so adorable. Thank you so much, Stephanie. This is just like the sweetest thing ever. And here's the welcome flag. I opened it up so that you guys could see it. It's so beautiful. I'm definitely going to be putting it out in my garden. And it has the little bird. You guys know I've been enjoying my bird feeder, and it just reminds me, it even looks a lot like the birds that have been coming to my feeder. It's so pretty. And then these 3 beautiful candles, and they all smell amazing. There's apple cider, and then there is this blueberry one. It's blueberry cobbler. And the funny thing is, when we first got our home and we were newly married, I had a blueberry cobbler candle that I loved. It was by the Country Peddler. If you guys remember that company, it no longer exists. And I could never find another candle like it. And this one, it smells exactly like it. It just brings me back to that time of my life that was so simple that I miss so much. And it's just really a beautiful candle. And then this one is called Farmer's Market. They all smell so good, and this was really a great way to end my day today. Okay guys, so it is about 9 o'clock at night, and I am going to settle down and get ready for bed. I'm going to kind of show you guys my end of the day routine that I've been doing, just like all of the stuff that I do right before bedtime. So I will close out the video with some clips of that, just because there's some things that I've been doing that kind of help calm me when I'm getting ready for bed. So maybe you'll find it helpful too. I don't know. It's what has been working for me. One thing that I can say is, through the anxiety that I've been feeling lately, the stuff that I do for bedtime has been helping, and I have been able to fall asleep. It's the staying asleep part that is the problem. But going to sleep with like my lavender and just all the things that I do, it just all really helps. So anyway, I hope this wasn't just, you know, something really not very exciting for you guys to see today. I mean, I know it wasn't very exciting. I'm just so tired. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along today. It was really a lot of fun to get myself back into vlogging, and, you know, like I said, I haven't really had a lot of creative energy recently, but doing this today really helped a lot. So I don't know what I'm going to be sharing next week. It might be something like this again, so hopefully you guys do enjoy like the random vlogs that I've been doing. I do have on my chalkboard back here, I don't know where it is, somewhere over there, some things that I do hope to work on in the near future, and you know, we'll just see how it goes. So thank you so much for watching today. Please let me know in the comments below how you guys are all doing. I really would like to know if you're doing well, if you're getting back to some type of normalcy, what's going on in your world. Are you back in work? Do you have kids going back to school? It's a very transitional period right now for a lot of us, so I'm curious how you guys are making out there as well. All right guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you really soon. Good night.
Slow down the momentum from your day. Tonight, release any worries and welcome sleep to come easily and quickly to you.